SV30 distiller install instruction.
Component display. Please pay attention to check for any omissions before installation. Place the basket and press the lid onto the pot. Insert the pot body thermometer. Install the tower components in the following order and secure them with 8-inch clamps. Connect the distillation column section to the pot lid. Fix the tri-clamp link. It's recommended that 2 people work together during assembly. Finally, put in the alcoholmeter into the spirit outlet and install glass cover. Crystal distillation column. When installing the red and blue pipes, please note that the blue represents the cooling water inlet and the red represents the water outlet. One end of the blue pipe with a regulating valve is connected to the hole below the reflux column. 2 red pipes are connected to the upper interface separately. Thanks for watching. Hulu Distill Quality Choice.